Now, we're going to talk about something very obvious, I think, from exponential functions. We'll always go, an exponential function, no matter what the base is, will always go through the point 0, 1. So I just have this exponential function here, and it rises up like this, and it goes out here, it gets closer and closer to the x-axis, but it never touches. What do we know about this function? Let me give you a hint. Vertical line test. Yes, it's a function. Now let's do something else. Horizontal line test. Now that it gets a little funny here. You may think, oh, it does cross through two. No, if you zoom in close enough, you will see that it only crosses in one point. So it passes the horizontal line test, which means that yes, it's 1 to 1. Where do you think I'm heading? An exponential function has an inverse. Let's draw the exponential function again. 0, 1. And now I'm going to do my y equals x reflection. This is that line y equals x. And if you remember from our inverse function talks, we said that an inverse function is going to reflect across this line. That means instead of going through the point 0, 1, it's going to go through the point 1, 0. It's going to reflect across. And in fact, this function looks like that, where it never crosses the y-axis, and it then it gets very large as, it grows slowly as x gets large, but it goes in this form, just like the exponential function went like that. So, I haven't drawn it great. Desmos will draw it very nice. You have heard of this function. I want you to be careful not to get afraid when I write this word on the board. Logarithms are exponents. Exponents can be logarithms. All we are doing with the logarithm is doing the inverse of what the exponential function is. I'm going to leave this up here so you can look at it for a while, but I want you to know if I have 10 squared is equal to 100, then the log base 10 of 100 is 2. That 2 goes there. That 100 goes there. This base 10 goes there. These are equivalent statements. I'm not going to write an equal sign here because I already have equal signs here. 10 squared equals 100. Log base 10 of 100 equals 2. These are equivalent statements. We'll do more with logs, but I thought this is how to introduce it to you. Understand that logarithms are the inverse of exponents. Understand that these are two equivalent statements, and if you practice just writing this, 10 squared equals 100, log base 10 of 100 equals 2, you can type this out on your calculator. You can type in 100 and then hit log 10, log base 10, and you'll get 2. All these things I want you to start getting used to thinking about, because we're going to think about them a lot.